Hey guys, this is Derek from Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Today I'm so excited to show you my latest listing here in Richmond, California. It's a beautiful 2-story home with 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, over 2,700 square feet with a 2-car garage and a beautiful backyard. Let's take a look inside. Hey guys, how you like the house so far? Come check out this gourmet kitchen with beautiful granite countertop, lots of cabinet space, brand new stainless steel appliances, a dining area. Such a great place for entertaining, don't you think? Thanks for taking the tour, guys. So what do you think about the house? Isn't this amazing? We're located at 4029 Coleman Circle in Richmond, California. Please come by and check it out or take a look at our website. We'll see you there.